Hi everyone, I hope you guys are doing good. So here I'm going to show you one important tips for the column. So when you are doing a column and collecting different fractions in a test tube, as I collected here, you may have seen that. So very important thing at the end of the column, like even if you feel it is done, so wash your column out with 10% methanol in DCM, because if somehow your compound is stuck in the silica and you may not realize that your compound is, so you might lose your compound from uh, that column, because if your compound is stuck with the silica, then your compound can be there, so you will come up with the lower yield. So here you see the aluminum flask. I washed my column at the end of this column with the 10% methanol with DCM, because in many cases if your compound is solids or many aromatic groups is there, so sometimes those compound solidified or is stuck in the silica. Even if you see like some of the compounds came out early, that means that part is dissolved. Maybe most of your compound can stack on top of the column, so it is to be safe side, it is better to wash out your column at the end of your column fractions are done. So in that case, if you have possibility to lose some compound, then you can get or recover that compound from that Erlenmeyer flask of the solution of methanol and DCM. But do not increase the methanol level like more than 10%. In that case, sometimes some silica can come out with the methanol more than 10%. So another important thing is, even if you lost your compound in the column silica gel, and if you forget to wash, and if you come back 1 or 2 days later and you want to wash it, you may not get your compound, because sometimes compound degrade in the silica. So that's why people do column quickly as soon as possible, because compound adsorbed in the silica, and if you keep it is for a long time, so the compound will degrade because of many factors, like silica is little acidic, so acidity of the silica, and also column packing, and it is stuck inside a tube, like it's better to wash out. Even if you have the possibility to lose your compound, then you can recover it from the that fraction, washed fraction.